Okay, our cards are in. We have our video card here. We have our Ethernet card here. We have our audio card in. And we have our phone fax modem card in. And then of course these are the cable audio from the modem fax to the sound card, and from the CD to the sound card. And we're going to install the air guide. This guides the air in from the fan down on top of the heatsink for additional cooling. And that just goes on right there. And I believe we're done. Let's see. Of course, you want to double check everything before you put your power. Let's put our, this is a brace for the chassis. Chassis brace goes right here. And it snaps in right there. Now we have our chassis firm. Okay, all the cables are in. We're gonna go ahead and hook up the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and test our system.